Hi, I'm David from Lawson, and I'm here to explain dip tanks. As you can see, we offer three different sizes: small, medium, and large. Our small tank here can hold two screens up to 20 by 28. So the standard 20 by 24 and the 2028 fit this dip tank very nicely. It can hold two screens at a time. Our medium-sized dip tank right here can hold six 20 by 24 frames. And our large-sized dip tank can hold six 23 by 31 frames. Of course, you can always put smaller frames in as well. Here you see that the dip tank is shown with its optional floor casters, as well as the medium size here. The standard units come without floor casters. All of our units come with lids, and all have screen hold-down devices. We recommend dip tanks for both developing and reclaiming. They save you time and money and reduce your chemical usage by most estimates 5 to 10 times savings. Everyone needs dip tank technology in their shop.